Hello friends, welcome to our new video, and with this new recipe we are going to learn a new dish today. And the name of this dish, or you may be able to see this already on your screen, it's salmon burgers. Now we have a different approach of telling you how to make a recipe. So we don't make silent videos where you just see the thing is happening and it's just music in the background, and then actually no one talks about what they're doing or how they made their recipe. So in this one we are actually going to tell you everything, how this recipe you can make at home, the ingredients and everything you can read on our website, and then you need to try it. So you don't need to actually copy and you don't have to copycat somebody by watching videos. Instead you need to get this the ingredients and everything theoretically, and then apply that in your cooking and practically see how it works. So for more information you can scroll down here. You can see salmon burgers recipe with dill sauce for weight loss. Now today I'm showing you ways from how to make homemade salmon burgers with a creamy dill sauce. And the key to those salmon burgers is using canned salmon. So I find using canned salmon may be a good way to urge an excellent, nutritious, very delicious, top quality ingredient into the kitchen at a fraction of the value. Now the trick here is that you need to actually read all this theory here. You need to read all these steps so that you can actually learn how to make salmon burgers at home. And then what I'll do is I will leave the link in the description below so that you can go to that link, and then you can actually download a copy of this recipe, right? So you can see this download button here. So what it says that, do you want to download or print this recipe so that you can read it later on your mobile or tablet, right? So it's not like you are watching this video right now and all of a sudden you will go and start making this recipe. So it might be that try later on, try after 2 days, after your holidays, in weekends. So there's no particular time that when are you going to try this recipe. So for that sake, that it says here that if you want to download it on your phone or tablet, or even if you just like it and you want to share it with your family, your friends, or you just want to have it saved or delivered into your inbox, then here's the download button. All you need to do is go ahead and visit the website. The link is in the description. Then scroll all the way down. So this is how it looks like from the top. So this is the picture of the burger. Then there's a theory, the recipe here. You can read all this, and then all those ingredients, how much you need, how much you have to put into the burgers, into the patties. So all that will be sent to you in your email, in your inbox. All you have to do is click on this download box. So this will be your salmon burger recipe for today. And thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we'll come back to you with a new recipe very soon. Thank you for watching.